Hello, welcome to Car Pros. Today we're going to show you how to change the rear hood struts for a 1999 to 2004 Porsche Carrera 996. The first thing we're going to need to do is open the rear hood. Next, we're going to prop the hood open. Next, we're going to disconnect this wire mount. Next, we're going to remove the hood strut. Next, we're going to compare our old hood strut to our new one to make sure that they're identical and transfer the mounting hardware for the wire holder onto the new hood strut. Next, we're going to reinstall our hood strut. And don't forget to re-secure the wire on the hood strut. And you're all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please visit 2carpros.com.